Is Prem, and today I'm going to start new course for Google Associate Cloud in Certification. So this course, the people who are preparing for Google Cloud's interview, or those are trying to prepare for certification, or the product managers they want to learn, or business analyst they would like to learn about Google Cloud. So we are going to learn here introduction about clouds, objective of the clouds, what we are going to learn, and the cloud fundamentals and visualization and characteristic of clouds, networking fundamental, and why Google platform. Then next chapter we are going to learn about creating project and IAM. So in this course we will learn about resource structure and inheritance, creating projects and hands-on projects, IAM role and permission, IAM members and policies, IAM hands-on and enabling APIs. Okay, then cloud operation, then some quiz. The next third lecture we are going to learn about billing management, creating billing accounts, linking project to the billing account, budget and alerts, setting billing export and BigQuery. And the next fourth lecture we are going to learn about Google Cloud CLI, installing and configuration GCP SDK, Cloud SDK in Action. The fifth lecture we are going to learn compute service and offering, how to select compute service, primitive versus custom VM, creating compute engine, connecting VM instance, creating compute instance, also Google Kubernetes engine, and introduction to the Cloud Run, creating Google App Engine decision charts. Then storage wise, we are going to learn about cloud storage, lab cloud storage, cloud bigtable, BigQuery, cloud SQL, cloud spanner, cloud data store decision charts. And seventh lecture, we are going to learn about network resources. Network resources come VPC and choosing the right load balancer and cloud DNS. And the eighth lecture, we are going to learn about the cost, what we are using in Google Cloud. And ninth is event-driven service like Cloud Function, Cloud Publication and Subscription Service. And 10th lecture, we are going to learn monitoring and logging about what are the services running on the Google Cloud, and the deployment managers and deploying WordPress using cloud markets. So please watch my channel, likes and subscribe. Thank you for watching.